You've bought enough cars over the years to know when a dealership is playing you, and right now, they're playing everybody. New luxury SUVs across the USA are pushing past $58,000, with payments running $770 a month for the privilege of watching it lose half its value in 3 years. Here's what they won't tell you standing on that lot. The depreciation hit, somebody already took it for you. Under $20,000, there are luxury SUVs sitting used that already ate that loss. Full leather, real engineering, proven reliability, while the guy who bought it new is still making payments. I found 11 of them. Real years, real prices, no games. Number 1 on this list stickered at $52,000 new. Today it's yours for around $11,000. Here's the full breakdown. Number 11, Volvo XC60 2016-2017. Volvo has built its entire reputation on one word, safety, and this generation XC60 is where that obsession finally pairs with a track record long enough to trust. The Drive E 2.0L Turbo 4 is the powertrain worth seeking out, matched to a standard 8-speed automatic. Nothing exotic, nothing experimental, just a well-understood combination with years of ownership data behind it. The cabin leans into Scandinavian restraint rather than button overload. Clean surfaces, quality leather on the upper trims, and a seating position that feels relaxed instead of hunched over a cockpit. City safety, Volvo's automatic braking system ships standard across the lineup, a feature plenty of brand new budget vehicles still charge extra for or skip entirely. New, this vehicle asked for well over $45,000. Find one today and you're looking at $16,000 to $18,000. Real safety engineering, real materials at roughly a third of the original bill. Number 10, Buick Enclave, 2017-2018. Before you scroll past this one because of the badge, hear me out, because this generation genuinely earns its place here. Built on GM's stretched 3-row crossover platform, this Enclave delivers a smooth, quiet ride that punches well above what the Buick name usually gets credit for, and that gap between reputation and reality is exactly why it's still undervalued on the used market. Power comes from GM's 3.6L V6, the same basic unit that's logged serious mileage across the Cadillac and Chevrolet lineups for over a decade. No turbo lag, no unproven tech to worry about. Where this generation really separates itself is cabin quietness. Buick's engineers specifically targeted road and wind noise here, using acoustic laminated glass and extra sound deadening most competitors skipped to save weight. Few 3-row crossovers from this era. Luxury nameplates included "Ride This Hushed." A new Enclave today starts well north of $45,000. This one, $16,000 to $18,000. Spacious, quiet, and easy to overlook, which is exactly the opportunity. Number 9. Infiniti QX60 2017-2018. The CVT reputation that follows Infiniti around is fair for the earlier years. It's not fair for this one, and the distinction matters. 2017 marked a real overhaul of the QX60's continuously variable transmission, alongside chassis changes that fixed the loose, floaty handling from the vehicle's launch years. Nissan spent real engineering time cooling and refining this unit before this update landed, and the difference shows in long-term reliability data. Underneath, the 3.5 LV6 is one of Nissan's most battle-tested engines, the same core design that's carried Maximas and Muranos well past the 200,000-mile mark for years. Step inside and the QX60 feels genuinely upmarket. Quilted leather surfaces, a cabin that stays quiet at speed, and third-row space that actually fits grown adults comfortably. One thing to stay on top of: transmission fluid service intervals. Skip those, and you're asking for trouble. Stay current, and this is a comfortable, capable 3-row SUV. New examples run $52,000 and up today. This generation, used, $15,000 to $17,000. Number 8, Lincoln MKX, 2016-2018. American luxury tends to get skipped over on lists like this, and that's a mistake this particular SUV proves wrong. Sharing its platform with the Ford Edge gives the MKX access to a chassis with a long, unremarkable, dependable service history. The optional 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 brings real power to the table. But if minimizing risk is the priority, the naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 is the safer, simpler pick. Ride comfort is where Lincoln's engineers clearly focused their attention. A soft, isolated suspension tune built specifically for buyers who want comfort over cornering grip. A priority plenty of German rivals on this list deliberately ignore. Materials inside lean genuinely upscale on the higher trims. Real leather, real wood accents, none of the glossy plastic that dents and scuffs under normal use. Massaging front seats, available on this generation, are still a rare inclusion even on vehicles costing twice as much brand new. Its modern replacement starts near $46,000 today. This generation MKX $14,000 to $16,000. A comfortable, quiet SUV that rarely gets the credit it deserves. Number 7. Acura MDX 2014-2016. This one follows the same logic that makes Acura's smaller SUVs so popular on value lists. Honda's engineering underneath, a luxury badge on top. The 3.5 LSO HCV6 pairs with either a 6-speed or, on select trims, a 9-speed automatic. For anyone who wants to remove every variable possible, the 6-speed cars are the simpler, more proven choice. Super handling all-wheel drive comes standard on most trims, giving genuine foul-weather traction without an aftermarket upgrade. The cabin offers 3 full rows of usable space, a rarity among luxury crossovers that still treat the third row as an afterthought. Long-term reliability numbers on this generation rank among the strongest anywhere in the luxury segment. These drivetrains routinely pass 200,000 miles with nothing more than basic scheduled maintenance behind them. A well-equipped example cost close to $50,000 when new. Today, the same drivetrain with the miles barely settled in by Honda engine standards runs $15,000 to $17,000. Honda dependability dressed up at less than a third of the original price. Number 6. Cadillac SRX 2015-2016. These final 2 model years matter specifically because GM had already worked through every early complaint by this point. This is the most polished version of a platform Cadillac had been refining for years. Only one engine was offered across the lineup. GM's direct injection 3.6 LV6, paired with a straightforward 6-speed automatic. No confusing trim-level engine choices, no dual-clutch complexity chasing fuel numbers nobody cared about anyway. The cabin is where this generation quietly impresses. Cadillac's Kiyu infotainment gets criticized on later vehicles, but here it sits alongside genuinely upscale leather and stitching, a cabin that still reads as expensive, because at the time, it actually was. Quick pause here. If you're finding value in this list, tapping that like button genuinely helps this channel keep putting videos like this together. Back to the countdown. Ride quality leans soft and isolated on purpose, exactly what buyers in this segment tend to want. A real American alternative to the German options on this list, without the repair bills that show up right after the warranty runs out. New loaded examples ask north of $48,000. Today, $12,000 to $14,000. American luxury, priced like an economy car. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz G LC 300 2016-2017. A Mercedes on this list, and yes, the maintenance cost reputation is real. Here's why this particular generation still deserves a spot. The GLC replaced the GLK in 2016 on an entirely new platform, and the turbocharged 2.0 L4 underneath is meaningfully more modern and more dependable than the engines people usually complain about in older Mercedes SUVs online. Where the GLC genuinely earns its price is the ownership feel, build quality that still outclasses most competitors a decade later, and handling noticeably sharper than the other SUVs on this countdown. Be honest with the budget here. This isn't a Buick or a Lincoln when it comes to repair costs down the line. Factor that in from day one, and there won't be any surprises later. New GLC models start past $50,000 now. This generation, $15,000 to $17,000. German build quality, at a price that finally makes sense for it. Number 4. BMW X3 2015-2017. 3rd generation X3, and the years to target are specifically the ones after BMW resolved the turbo cooling problems that showed up early in this platform's life. The 2.0L Turbo 4 in the S-Drive 28i and X-Drive 28i trims is the engine to look for, smaller in displacement, but BMW's most widely produced and most refined turbo unit of its era, backed by millions of real-world miles across multiple model lines. The cabin makes BMW's driver-first philosophy obvious immediately, everything angled toward the driver's seat. Quick and precise steering, and a ride that balances comfort and control better than most vehicles in this price bracket manage. Standard xDrive all-wheel drive on most used examples adds real capability without feeling like a bolted-on afterthought. Documented maintenance history matters enormously here. A BMW with a real service record behind it is an entirely different ownership experience than one without. New, an X3 starts near $48,000 today. This generation, $13,000 to $15,000, the enthusiast's pick in this segment, at a price the segment rarely offers. Number 3. Land Rover Discovery Sport, 2016-2017. Let's be upfront about this one. Land Rover's reliability record isn't spotless, and pretending otherwise wouldn't help anyone watching. Here's the fuller picture though. The Discovery Sport's 2.0L Turbo 4, shared with the Range Rover Evoque, is a substantially newer and better supported engine than the older units responsible for the brand's rougher reputation. Find one with documented service history, use an independent Land Rover specialist instead of the dealer for maintenance, and ownership looks very different from the horror stories online. What you're actually buying is genuine off-road capability, a real terrain response system, meaningful ground clearance, and all-weather performance that most soft-rotor luxury crossovers only imitate with styling. Inside, materials and design punch above the price point, with a seating position that feels commanding rather than boxed in. This pick is for someone who wants real capability, not just the look of it, and who's willing to check maintenance history carefully before buying. New, a Discovery Sport starts near $46,000. This one, $13,000 to $15,000. Number 2, Lexus RX 350, 2013-2015. No list like this is complete without the vehicle that basically set the standard for reliable luxury SUV for an entire generation of shoppers. By 2013, this platform had years of refinement behind it. The most sorted, most debugged version of a design Lexus had already been polishing for years. The 3.5 LV6 paired with a conventional automatic is, without much argument, one of the most durable drivetrains ever fitted to a luxury vehicle. Examples with 250,000 miles on the odometer aren't unusual. They're expected. Inside, genuine leather, a remarkably quiet cabin, and a ride so composed that owners of this generation frequently say they never seriously considered switching brands afterward. Independent reliability surveys have placed Lexus at or near the top of every major ranking for years running, and this RX generation is a big reason why. Original pricing sat near $48,000. Today, $16,000 to $18,000. Dependable in the least exciting, most reassuring way possible. Number 1. Audi Q73.0T Premium Plus, 2017. And here's the vehicle this entire list was built around. New, it carried a window sticker north of $52,000. Today you can drive one home for roughly $11,000. 2017 was the launch year for Audi's fully redesigned second-generation Q7i lighter, structurally stiffer and mechanically more refined than any Q7 before it. The 3.0-liter supercharged V6 badged 3.0T is the specific engine to target. A supercharger delivers power immediately, with none of the turbo lag or the heat-related long-term wear that sometimes gets pinned on turbocharged German 6s. This is one of Audi's most reliable six-cylinder engines of the last decade, paired with the same 8-speed automatic Audi has relied on across dozens of models for years. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard, not bolted on as a pricey option. Genuine four-season capability built in from the factory. Sit inside and it's obvious where that original $52,000 actually went. leather that's held up a decade later, real wood and metal trim instead of imitation finishes, and a cabin quiet enough at highway speed that first-time passengers often comment on it unprompted. A usable third row, uncommon in this segment, means this is a luxury SUV that doesn't ask you to choose between prestige and practicality. So why is a vehicle this capable sitting at $11,000? It comes down to depreciation math. The original buyer absorbed the steepest years of value loss, the exact years you're skipping by buying now. Same engineering, same materials, same badge, and someone else already paid for the expensive part. This isn't just the strongest value luxury SUV under $20,000 on this list. It might be one of the strongest values anywhere in the used market right now. If this list saved you some research, subscribe for more, and take a look at the other videos on screen.